Battery draining on iOS 26? Fix it fast, 1 minute, 6 simple steps. Open Settings, tap Battery, and check the battery graph and app usage. Step 1. Turn on low power mode in settings to cut background activity. Step 2. Disable background app refresh for power-hungry apps. Step 3. Go to Battery Health and Charging and enable optimized battery charging. Step 4. Limit location services, set apps to while using or never. Step 5. Update to the latest iOS and update apps for efficiency. Step 6. Change mail fetch to manual or hourly and turn off push. Before, example battery graph showing steady drain down to 20%. After, same usage, battery now holding at 65%, big improvement. Extra tip, restart your iPhone, close and use widgets, and check brightness. Like and subscribe for more quick iPhone fixes. Try these steps now and save battery.